Dear Chris, I never knew when you asked me out after our epic game of catch that we would be here, and I would be writing this letter to you. I cannot be happier sharing the most amazing day of my life with my best friend. You, the most important person to me.
Dear Pauline, to my best friend, my queen, my lover. Ever since the beginning, I've always wanted you to be in my life. No matter what struggle that I go through, I know you will always be by my side. You are the most beautiful, intelligent, and caring person in the world. You're the best thing that has ever happened to me. I feel like I'm still dreaming that I'm with you. You're my forever and always, and I cannot wait to marry you. Your love, Chris.
Chris has chose someone to spend the rest of his life with. Luckily enough, it happens to be my other best friend. And as they take this union into the future, there's one thing I do know more than anything. Paulie, for better or for worse, through your ups, through your downs, through your triumphs, through your failures, through your light times, through your darks, you will be in good hands. And I'll be staying behind him, making sure he does.
I'm asking you now, Chris, to continue what I started. To be a princess, that's what she is to my family. Ever since the day I first laid eyes on her, that's how our family circle treats Pauline. I trust that you will confide in her, care for and caress her, consider her needs, create a space that offers her the comfort that she has come to know.
You are my one and only, my forever and always. Let's make today a fairy tale, and our lives a happily ever after. I can't wait to see you, my Prince Charming. Love, Pauline. From this day on, I choose you, my beloved Pauline, to be my wife. To live with you and laugh with you. To stand by your side and support you when no one will. To have fun with you as much as I can. To love you beyond any limit. To be the man that you deserve. I promise you this day, from my heart and with my soul, for all the days of my life.
I believe in you, the person you will grow up to be, and the couple we will be together. With my whole heart, I take you as my husband, to celebrate with you, and walk beside you through whatever our lives may bring. You are my person, my love, and my life forever and always.
By this integrity and truth, and in the beloved presence of all who are gathered here today, I affirm that you are husband and wife, sacred partners in this journey of life.
Take this as a moment between everyone that we've ever known, used to know, or know right now, when I say to you, on behalf of everybody in this room, I love you both.